Powder detergent, the wash machine killer. Especially high efficiency washers. Okay, so now I'm out of the customer's house. I can go into detail. I did let her know that she probably don't want to. Get my glasses in the glare. That she probably doesn't. I told her about the detergent. I tell every customer about the powder detergent, and so this is why it is a wash machine killer. That powder detergent is hard to break down. It doesn't dissolve very easily. And usually, if a customer uses powder detergent and we go in for like a bearing job or something, we pull that tub out, you'll see all that powder detergent caked up inside. Now, what makes that bad, right? To go into further detail. So, what happens is, if it's not breaking down, it's holding moisture, right? So, if that powder detergent cakes, because it cakes up, sticks to the metal, and as it's sticking to the metal, it's holding moisture and it's eating away at that metal, right? Compared to if you have liquid detergent, flushes out. I mean, nothing flushes out 100%, but flushes out and allows that metal to at least dry, right? And this is a top load machine, so I've seen it worse in front loaders. Especially like the ones with the bearings, the tub bearings, because it sticks in the little grooves and stuff behind the bearings, the spider bearing. But yeah, that powder detergent is a wash machine killer because it doesn't really dissolve well, and if it's not dissolving, it's holding moisture. That moisture is going to eat away at the metal. That moisture is going to have bacteria in it, right? Because if it's holding it, so. Powder detergent is just, and feel free, experts out there, to pile on. I'm sure there might be some other negative benefits to powder. So, not saying liquid is perfect either, but powder definitely is not the way to go, because almost every time you do a bearing job, you see that powder detergent built up and caked up on there. And you think about it, if you ever went to a laundromat and used go to a laundromat and you'll see a sign, someone have a sign saying "Do not use powder." Right? Because it's just messy. It sticks. Like even because you'll see if you go to a laundromat, you'll see the ones that do accept powder. You'll see the powder all over the machine, all over the dish tray, because it doesn't dissolve. Right? It's hard to clean. It doesn't dissolve. So that's my 2 cents. Feel free to comment, guys. And again, remember, not every there's more than one way to do things. So if you have other suggestions, feel free to comment. And this is just another tip from Reggie at ATeam Appliance. Stay away from that powder detergent. Use HE. See ya.